I wanted to build, I needed a new site, this earlier this year.
Sure.
And I was like, man, I just don't have the time. Here's my data. Here's this, and it was just in a spreadsheet. Actually, here's my data that was on eBay. I want you to pull all that data, build the Shopify store. Here's all my creative content, and create this, match the categories up and do it. And the whole thing cost me less than $200 to have it built in a Shopify store. And my concept was like, well, I want to convert those people that are buying on eBay. I want to put a link inside the box, give them a coupon, and get them to come shop at my store.
Right.
So I don't have to pay those fees, and I can gain the customer, data for myself. So tons of ways to build these things out inexpensively, quickly. The other thing I really like is Shopify has really pushed their payment, the Shop Pay, and they're sharing across other Shopify merchants. So once you buy something from a merchant that is using Shopify, you can share that registration across different companies and share your payment method across different businesses.
Oh, so it's kind of like the App Store, right? Or like what Amazon's doing, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, you have your one profile that you as the customer use. And you trust Shopify, you trust Amazon, you trust Apple.
Yes.
You don't have to worry about trusting some merchant you've never heard of before. Oh,
that's right.
That's huge. Yeah.
It's a huge thing. And as a Shopify, as a merchant, it's your customer. Even though, they're sharing this data across, if the customer agrees to it, you get that customer data. You get their phone number. You get their email, their address.
So it
all
really is
stuff.
the best of, they know what problem they're solving. I get it now.
Yeah,
okay.
Absolutely. So I highly recommend you take a look at Shopify.